Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.
Industry contributes to 40% of greenhouse gas emissions in Wales, and engineers are working hard to reduce this. One method we're exploring at Swansea University is called bioengineering. Our project is all about developing environmental solutions to waste gas emissions using a photobioreactor. The photobioreactor uses waste CO2 from industry, energy from the sunlight, recycled water, and converts this into glucose and oxygen in a process called photosynthesis. The microalgae produced in our bioreactor is used for pharmaceuticals, animal feeds, the food industry, and it can also be used to develop biodegradable bioplastics. Here at Valley, we've seen that per kilogram of algae, we've used 2 kilograms of CO2 per day. This is proving its benefits for a cleaner, greener future for the industry in Wales. For more information on our project, please search rice.cymru.